Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an SD card that is not detected on Windows 11. First, if you're using a USB SD card reader, unplug it from your current USB port and connect it to a different one. If the SD card still does not appear, you may need to assign it a drive letter. Right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. In the lower section, look for your SD card by checking its storage size. If you find it, right-click its partition and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add if there is no letter assigned, or Change if one already exists. Choose a different available drive letter, click OK, and then check if the SD card appears in File Explorer. If that does not solve the issue, reinstall the card reader driver. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Expand disk drives or storage controllers until you find your SD card reader or storage device. Right-click it and select Uninstall Device. After the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. Windows will automatically detect the hardware and reinstall the required driver during startup. Thanks for watching.